What's up guys? So it has been a while since I've made a beard video. So it's time to bring that same science of hair care to your face mains. And if you'll notice, I'm rocking a messy bun today, so the beard can be a little more visible as I'm talking about it. But I'm gonna tell you the top 5 mistakes that I see a lot of guys making when they're first growing out their beards. So starting at number 1, this is gonna be using body wash or hand soap on your beard. Now, I know those Irish Spring soap commercials are ingrained into our brains, and your Axe body wash is your tried and true, but dear God, please don't put it on your face or your beards. The reason is the detergents in these products are way too harsh. What will happen is you end up not just drying out your beard, but you're also gonna dry out the skin on your face as well. So you can avoid this irritation by switching to a beard or a face wash that is designed to keep your beard and skin moisturized. These products are a lot more gentle on your skin and will keep the health and vitality of your beard strong, which is what we want, because the detergents in these soaps and body washes are at a much higher percentage, and they're much stronger because the skin on our body is a lot thicker than the skin on our face. Your face is actually the thinnest skin on your whole body, with your eyelids being the thinnest. And this requires not only a gentler surfactant, but just less percentage of detergent in the formula overall. And that's what face washes and beard washes are designed to do. So this means less dry skin beneath the beard and on your face. It means less dry beards, and it means less irritation overall. Don't use the body wash or the hand soap when you're trying to wash your beard. The second mistake I see a lot of guys making is not actively taking care of their skin beneath their beard. Now, this is usually if your beard is a little bit shorter, and I'm not talking about the guys who have super long beards. It's typically an issue when you're just starting to grow your beard out and you have a little bit of stubble and you start to neglect the part of your face that's beneath your beard. So if you're someone who's experimenting with beard growth or just starting out, listen up, because you might be dealing with a lot of beard druff or beard dandruff. So when you start to grow out your beard, it's really easy to miss taking care of that skin beneath it. It can be hard to wash and moisturize that skin, which leaves it gross, which leaves it flaky. Washing your beard is the first step to solving this, but then the second step is moisturizing the skin afterwards underneath your beard. And it's gonna keep your skin healthy, and it's gonna keep your pores from clogging and the beard follicles growing at a healthy rate. So how exactly do you do that? Because I'm not exactly the biggest fan of beard oil, which I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. But the 2 tips that I just mentioned can be solved with a simple and solid skincare routine. And that brings us to today's video sponsor, TIEGE HANLEY. TIEGE HANLEY makes taking care of your skin uncomplicated and very easy. Now, they provide you with all the products you need and nothing that you don't need, so there's no need to shy away from a skincare routine. So I recommend you start with their level 1 system. This comes with all your basics. It comes with a face wash, which can double as a beard wash. It comes with an exfoliating scrub, and it comes with an AM and a PM moisturizer. And to make it even more foolproof for you, they provide an instruction card in every single box that tells you when to use each product. It tells you how much to use. It tells you in what order to use it. And that comes in clutch on days where you may forget the process. But skincare wasn't always something that I took seriously. I have been taking it seriously for the last 5 years, 6 years now, and I wish I would have started 10 years ago, because skincare is a long-term play. If you want to look young 20 years from now, start now. You don't have to just take my word for it, because TIEGE HANLEY has over 5,000 5-star reviews from customers all around the globe. And also, in addition to amazing skin, members at TIEGE HANLEY can get a ton of benefits. You can get 20% off retail price. You can get access to exclusive monthly deals. You can pause or cancel at any time. You can get free US shipping. And because TIEGE HANLEY is sponsoring today's video, they're offering you guys a super cool deal. It's a free gift. If you click the link in the description, you'll get 30% off your first box and a free gift in the mail. So don't miss out. Click the link in that description. Get started with your skincare routine today, and also a healthier beard. So mistake number 3 is you are trimming way too high up on your neckline. And if you don't know where your neckline should be, a good rule of thumb that I like to follow is I'll put 2 fingers above my Adam's apple here, and that is the spot where I want to trim my neckline. The reason that I use that rule is because I don't want to end up going too high where it looks like I just have a chin strap. Now, if you dig a chin strap, cool, more power to you. It doesn't look the best on me, so I can't stop you if that's what you want, but it doesn't suit most guys' face shapes. It doesn't give you a really strong jawline. Because the biggest mistake that I see guys making is trimming their beard all the way up to the jawline, which actually doesn't accentuate the jawline. It gives sort of that Thanksgiving turkey look, if you know what I'm talking about. I know Thanksgiving is in a couple months, but we don't need you looking like a turkey. Now, you want to be able to accentuate the jawline, not take away from it. And I understand that we all have different face shapes and it may require a different neckline to hit that preferred beard style. But overall, the goal is to follow your natural jawline shape and accentuate it. And the way you do that is not by shaving all the way up to the jawline, but stopping a little bit below at the neck. So the jawline here, it gives it a solid line to follow. That brings us to mistake number 4, which is not shaping your beard as it grows. And this is different from the neckline. The neckline is just one area to shape, because similar to shaping your hair as it grows, you want to make sure your beard is growing in the best way to shape your face, which means, again, strengthening your jawline. Even if you don't have a diamond cutting jawline like Henry Cavill or Brad Pitt, you can still use facial hair to your advantage because it's a natural contour that can help give you stronger cheekbones and a stronger jawline. And a common mistake that I see that ruins this, and I made this mistake all the time when I first started growing, I call it the double chin beard. And this is when the hair on your lower chin, not really your neck, but like your lower chin right here, starts getting really, really long. And it starts getting longer than your chin hair. It makes your jaw look invisible, and it sort of adds this like double chin look to your face. And for some reason, I don't know why, but this area of my beard right here tends to grow faster than my chin. So this comes down and this stays short. As your beard grows, you want a straight line coming from your jaw down to your chin. So if you have long hair here, you want to make sure to trim that. The last mistake we're going to cover is overusing beard oil. So I have a really hot take opinion on this, and I mentioned it earlier, but I don't really like beard oil. And I can hear every beard creator's head exploding as I say that because they love beard oil. I get why people like beard oil. Like, it smells nice, it supposedly makes your beard softer, but hear me out. I am approaching it from a hair care perspective because beard hair is similar to hair on your head. You should only really use hair oil sparingly because it can build up. Oil does not actually hydrate or condition your hair. Oil is used to seal in moisture once your hair has already been conditioned. So now imagine you're washing your beard, but you're not conditioning it, and then you're dousing it in oil when you think you're conditioning it, but you're not. You're just sealing in dryness basically because you haven't conditioned it. Oil is more for sealing cuticles, not for conditioning hair. So I know another common argument about beard oil is that it's not actually for your beard, it's for moisturizing the skin beneath your beard. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like moisturizing my skin by putting oil on it because that can clog my pores. I'd rather use a moisturizer made for your face or something that can double as a beard conditioner and a moisturizer. Have you ever gotten a pimple beneath your beard? I have. It sucks. It's like tough, it hurts, and I just would rather avoid clogging my pores with beard oil. So if you're using too much beard oil because you think it's moisturizing your beard, it actually might be making it stiff and hard. So this has been my experience too. I used to use so much beard oil and I was just like, why is my beard always stiff? Like, it's never soft, and yeah, it like smells nice, but it's always hard and it's always stiff. So I stopped using beard oil and I started using something else instead. So what can you use instead of beard oil? Well, I started using just a lightweight water-based conditioner. You condition your hair, right? So your beard is still hair. It needs conditioning. So this way you're softening and conditioning your beard hair. You're not building up oil and stiffening it. And the lightweight formula can actually also keep your skin moisturized. So after you wash your beard, leave the conditioner on for 5 minutes and then rinse it out just like you would your head hair. And I promise you'll be left with a softer beard than any beard oil would ever give you. So those are the 5 beard mistakes that I see most men making. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. Do you have any hot takes? Let me know in the comments. If you made it this far, just hit me in the comments with your hottest beard take, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.